I'm Abram, Montague's servant, who fight with Samson and Gregory in the first scene of the play.
I am Samson, servant of the house of Capulet, who like my master hated the Montagues.
I'm Balthasar, Romeo's dedicated servant, who brings Romeo the news of Juliet's death.
I am Prior Judd, a Franciscan friar charged by Prior Lawrence with taking the news of Juliet's false death to Romeo in Mantua.
I am Friar Lawrence, a brother of the Franciscan order and Romeo's confessor, who advises both Romeo and Juliet.
I'm Mercutio, a kinsman to the prince and Romeo's close friend.
I am Juliet's nurse, the woman who breastfed Juliet when she was a baby and has cared of Juliet her entire life.
I'm Prince Escalus, the Prince of Verona.
I'm Paris, a kinsman of the prince and the suitor of Juliet, most preferred by Capulet. I'm Capulet, the patriarch of the Capulet, and enemy of unexplained reasons of Montague.
I am Montag, Romeo father, that patriarch of that Montag, clan and better enemy of Capulet.
I am Lady Capulet, is vengeful and she demands Romeo's death for killing Tybalt. In her relationship with Juliet, she is cold and distant, expecting Juliet to obey her father and
I'm the Lady of Montague, the mother of Romeo and aunt of Benvolio.
Go.
I'm Juliet, the daughter of Capulet and Lady Capulet.
I'm Romeo, the son and heir of Montague and Lady Montague.